Hello, this is Janusz. Today I want to show how to make quick HTML reports from a nuBuilder. So sometimes you need to have a quick report for some data. So just for example, I prepared here some cars generated. The list was generated by AI. Different car makers, different models, different color, different age, different mileage. And if you have such data inside, very often you would like to have some statistical information of some overview of what you have in your database. So maybe let's start with example. Here I am having a button, cars overview. So when I press, I have new window, new HTML window. And for example, I have age distribution. So I have 0 to 2 years cars, 241 years, 11 years and more, 34, yeah. 3 to 5 years, 100, 6 to 10 years, 38. So as well, you can put percentage. You can see by car maker how many cars. You can see what is, let's say, the most popular color. Here you can see gray. You can have as well some chart. Yeah. Okay. For under the other button, you might have, for example, if you are interested just to see only Volkswagen cars. Yeah. So here I am having Volkswagen cars only from my whole database. So 92 cars. Age distribution. Yes, Volkswagen models. So you can see that the biggest quantities for Golf, Passat, and so on. For colors, and for example, this is top color per model distribution. Yeah, so the most popular color is gray. It is in Golf. Yeah. Next one, gray for Passat. For Golf, next one is white, black, and so on. And as well, you might have some diagrams. So you can see that by very simple, let's say, buttons, you can improve very much the visualization of your data. So how to make it? Yeah? So maybe let's start with the most simple example. So I'm having a button HTML window. So I'm pressing. So here I am having a new ID. So it's just generated number from a nuBuilder, and it works. Yeah. So now let's go to see how it is constructed. So go to properties of the button, go to custom code, and you can see there is just one function, my new window F1 and the PHP file name. That's all. Yeah. So all the actions we are just defining in the PHP file. So how to link everything. So okay. So this function, my new window, where the input is PHP file, it's following. I am setting the cookie, enum my session, and enum session, this is function from nuBuilder, and I am just opening new window. Window open PHP file blank. Yeah? And it was the function which you saw here in this button. And how the x2 file test PHP looks like. It is that. Yeah. So this is a PHP require once nu check login PHP echo nu. So it is this one. So echo nu ID. This is that one, and echo it works. Yeah. So this is the whole file. And now, if we want to see what is behind this nu check login PHP. I have it here. So this is the file where is checking whether you are running this PHP function from a proper, let's say, nuBuilder session from proper computer, and is checking if you are logged in, that you are in the current session of a nuBuilder. So you have to include the nuconfig for the passwords. Yes. Here, session ID, it is transmitted by the cookie to this PHP. Yeah, so I was doing here document cookie my session nu session, and here I am reading this value. Yeah, so I am transferring from nuBuilder to PHP, reading this value. Next, I am checking if this session is existing in the ZZSys session. Yeah, if it's existing, then I can just continue with other code. Yes, and I am adding require a new common PHP just to have available the nuBuilder function. Okay, and on which base I did this file. So I just used the config file from nu database. This is from phpMyAdmin. So if I will just open this phpMyAdmin, so this is, you can see, third party nuBuilder config PHP. So this is exactly the code which is used in the nuBuilder. So I just use part of this code for my function. Yeah, not to develop too much, just nearly copy paste. Of course, you can extend, you can add other options, but basically it is this one. Okay. So now you see how to make this simple example. And now if you would like to, if we want to see the more, let's say, advanced example, so this cars overview PHP. So if I am going back here, this cars overview, I am defining Control Shift F, and I am opening custom code. And in custom code, I am adding the button. Nu add action, my display button preview, cars overview. So you can see, oh, I cannot move it now. Okay, cars overview, new window, and this is linked to this PHP file. And the second button is linked to the other file. Yeah, and this is that. So if I will now open that file, it is this one. Okay, so you can see. First, I am checking if I can execute the function if I am working with the active nuBuilder session. Yeah, if not, the code will not be executed. And now I am just defining code, PHP code like in nuBuilder. So SQL select count total records from car data. Yeah, so first, this is the first SQL. Next, this is select some cars, with the time range. Next, this is the third one. This is counting car makers, counting colors. And here I am running the query. So I am using nuBuilder function, nurun query. So I will have data. And now I am preparing, some HTML code to display my data. So maybe it looks this code complicated, but you can use AI and you will have this code generated immediately. So this is quite easy task. So generally, okay, I am creating document, and the first, totals cars quantity, number cars all, which was taken here from the first query, and so on and so on. Yeah. And if we compare now this cars overview, and I will just open my my command window, so you will see that manufacturing distribution is here. Yes, before it was age distribution. So you are just going, section by section to display the data. And basically, this is all how to create it. So for the databases, my users of databases are likes very much, such a quick report to see the data quickly, to see what was changed, since the recent time, just to have some overview. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.